quadratic, it should be automatic. It's only fair to say x squared equals y. All real numbers make it. Tall or small, all the numbers make it. When you graph a parabola, it's equal to both sides. When you solve, it's more scary than a tarantula that never dies. No interruption for the introduction of a parent function. It's called a radical. It's magical but not intangible. X in the square root equals y. That's manageable. Bust the rhyme so sublime. Now it's time to spit the last line. You graph it with a curved line. Right, introduce the absolute value, bring it in the limelight. Learn this lesson so we ain't gotta fight this so tight. Now I just might put the X between two lines, right? Now take a bite of this rhyme tonight. Equation's easier than flying the kite. Took the shape, made a V. Now you know that's what it's gotta be.
But now we almost there, graphing stairs with our next function. Largest integer is fair, it ain't a rare function. When you got an X, if the number ain't whole, you take it, round it down to the next full. That's your Y, so divine, it's like skiing in the Alpine. You know we can't stop now, that would be trash. Well, the next function here is what we call rational. Stick a 1 over X, that's how you do it. That's your Y, that's how you do it. The graph looks curved in quadrants 1 and 3, but never touches 0, see? Made it this far, it'd be way too wrong to stop. Next up we got constant, the line that don't drop. With this function, x's are many and y's are few. A horizontal line will be sure to prove. When you're writing the function, one number is your y, then your x's are all that's left, don't cry.
Exponential, they're not that experimental, they're more fundamental. Y equals bx, just give that a try. The b stays constant and the x will fly. The graph makes an upward slope all the time. I couldn't think of another line that would rhyme. Cube root is what we got next. Each y divided 3 times by your x. And you gotta confess, that graph be looking like an S. Cubic functions are the inverse of the root. Cube your x, then buy a suit. The graph makes a squiggle line just in time for the next rhyme. Call that a crime.
We couldn't forget linear, it's all we got left, so turn up your ear. When x grows by 1, your y does too.
They're always the same, all we saying is true. When y equals x, it's as simple as it gets. With these math skills, we'll be staying in the Ritz. Fall out of your chair. You're so bored. Other way, other way. Now crawl away into that hallway.